What's up, bros? Welcome to another trade recap. Today, want to show you something. We got a fire yogurt bowl today. I don't know if you can see that good, but that is fire. It's got some fruit. It's got some honey mamas. I'm on the Santa Cruz method. Got the Santa Cruz protein powder in there, but yeah. Trading for me has been actually really good lately. Another good day today. December price action was showing today. Here, let's get into it. But I took a long on NQ today, and December price action was showing. But let's get into this. So our daily bias coming into the day, we consolidated a lot of London session, but then we had this huge sell-off, sweeping these previous day lows over here. And we swept them only on ES, and we actually created a high time frame SMT with NQ being the leading index. So coming into the day, that was my bias, bullish because of this SMT. So I wanted to take a trade on NQ. And then coming in to the 5-minute chart, the first part of market, I forgot to say, we had 8 a.m. news, PMI. So pretty decent sized news event for today. And literally until the whole entire market open, if you look on the 1 minute, it was just chopping. Like this is just clapped on both indexes. It was just straight chopping. And then, but lucky, when news came out, we actually got some movement. So news came out at 8. News came out right here, which created some bullish movement. So that went towards our bias. And then on this chop, we also kind of manipulated down. I'm not really counting it as a manipulation, but it just kind of helps a little bit. But so we pushed up, and then we got a retrace into this 5-minute gap right here off this candle. It's like 8:10 now. We got a retrace into this gap, and once we got that, I was just looking for reaction out of that gap and an inverse of this gap right here. It's also a 1-minute gap we tapped into, and maybe an order block down here, kinda breaker block, whatever. And we inversed this gap, broke all structure through here, 1-minute structure, and I entered off this candle. I didn't wait for the close, which is probably kind of dumb, but I was a little impatient there. But entered here. I put stops all the way down here because we were very choppy. Usually I would have put stops like maybe at this like fair value gap or something, but price was very choppy. And as you can see, we tapped back into this gap, not once, but twice. We tapped into this gap and edged my stop loss. And then we kept pump faking, coming up and down and up and down. And I wasn't really watching it, so like, it didn't really bother me. But once we came right back up here and I checked it again and we were up here, I literally predicted that we were going to come down again. And I was like, F it, I'm just taking profits, not risking this trade. And I took profits here. I made $605 off that one. I could have, my target was this order block. It was a high time frame order block. I would have targeted higher, but again, price was moving so choppy. Yeah, that was my trade for today. See you boys tomorrow. We got a little news tomorrow, not much. I'm kind of thinking it might be choppy again like today, but yeah, see you boys tomorrow.